Okay, tip number 4. This is my personal favorite part of anyone's LinkedIn profile. Make an awesome summary. This is where you really get to expand on your story, really get to expand on your so what. So I know I mentioned the headline is including your so what, but the headline is what lures the recruiter into your profile. The summary is what makes them reach out to you. So make your summary a nice, healthy paragraph. No more than two. 2 paragraphs is the absolute max for a summary. Most recruiters aren't going to read more than a paragraph. But really expand on your story, who you are, what you do, and why you're awesome. Why would a hiring manager want to hire you? Incorporate your personality. If you have a fun sense of humor, don't be afraid to include some fun jokes. Make sure they're professional, of course, but really show the recruiters and hiring managers who you are and why you're awesome. Why would they want to bring you in for an interview? Show this off in your summary.